Italians eat pasta every day? Let me think. Yes, we do eat pasta on a daily basis. But guess what? It doesn't have to be an Olive Garden portion. When we cook pasta in Italy, we eat artisanal, slow-dried, bronze-extruded pasta. Slow-dried means that it retains all the nutrition. It's not processed like that fluorescent orange abomination you see in the grocery store. When eating artisanal pasta, it's not only choose the slow-dried one because it really keeps the structure of the wheat, but also cook it al dente. When you eat it, it takes a while for your stomach to digest it, and this also makes it way longer to assimilate, keeping your satiation, what a word, in check. And now, one more thing. I'm gonna let you in on a secret. We don't put chicken on the pasta. Don't ask for it in the restaurants. I've been getting complaints for 3 years. And this is a pasta wing service announcement.